Teachers can be entrepreneurs, fulfilling their desire for independence, meaningful work, and make more money for their efforts teaching our most important thing in the world. Our children. What is Musical English? A child development program which maximizes the brain's ability to learn through music, sound, words, and dance. This combination of innate skills and abilities is with every human being. But this program is unique. Musical English was developed in Korea, where this program was used in over 30,000 schools and learned by more than 3 million, that's right, 3 million, students. So this is a proven program. Today, MyMusicalEnglish.com has the exclusive rights for this program to bring it to America. By joining with Musical English and becoming a member of this unique program, you can gain a measure of freedom for your life with a skill that goes with you wherever you go. You can set your own pace, learning, teaching, and grow your own classroom with this program. We supply the webinars, materials, and techniques. For a limited time only, you can become an early adopter and member, but you have to act now for this program. Email us today.